Hey there, today I'll show you how to add Calendly on Squarespace step by step. First, open Calendly and head to your Event Types tab. Find the event you want to embed and click the three dots next to it. That opens a sharing menu. From that menu, select Add to Website. You'll see three embed type options: Inline Embed, Pop-up Widget, and Pop-up Text. Click Inline Embed, then click Continue. This brings up the embed code screen with some settings on the left side. Here's where you can customize how it looks. If you want a cleaner look, toggle on Hide the Cookie banner and Hide Page Details. The preview updates as you change these, so you can see what visitors will see. Once you're happy with it, click Copy Code. The embed code is now on your clipboard. Now switch over to Squarespace. Open the page where you want your scheduler to appear and click the Edit button in the top left corner. The page becomes editable. Find the spot where you want the Calendly scheduler to sit, then click Add Block or click an insert point. From the block options, click Code. A code block appears with a pencil icon on it. Click that pencil icon to open the code block editor. A text field appears. Click into it and paste your Calendly embed code that's Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Once the code is pasted in, click Apply at the bottom of the editor. The editor closes and you'll see the code block on your page. Now save the page Squarespace, usually autosaves, but you can click Save at the top to be certain. The embed might look squished or pushed to the left at first, that's normal. Once saved, Squarespace loads the embed properly and it'll look right. Publish the page so it's live. After it's published, drag the code block to adjust its position and make it wider so the scheduler has room to display properly. You can also press G on your keyboard to toggle the grid on, which makes centering easier. If you notice a scroll bar inside the scheduler, you can adjust the height value in the embed code to fix that. Test the page on both desktop and mobile to make sure it works smoothly. And here's the good part: if you update that event, type in Calendly later, the embedded scheduler updates automatically without you having to touch the Squarespace page again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.